Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 20 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Rose sat blank her mother at dinner. A. Beneath. B. Beside. C. Throughout. Correct answer, beside, to mean next to. The story was told blank an old woman. A. For. B. By. C. On. Correct answer, by, to show who is telling the story. The sunken ship was found many years blank the disaster. A. Before. B. Near. C. After. Correct answer, after, to indicate time. Rose took the whistle blank the dead officer. A. Out of. B. From. C. Among. Correct answer, from, to show taking something. The rescue team had to look blank for survivors. A. Off. B. Up. C. Around. Correct answer, around, to show looking in all directions. Like, comment and subscribe.